Hello everyone! Welcome back to Filipino's Wonder channel, and on this video I am with Jara, but of course I was just gonna do a voiceover. And on this topic guys, I will just gonna talk about the fighting back of a Filipina. So guys, I am just using this video since I don't have any videos on my phone. So I am just decided just to use this one, and I will gonna do a voiceover on this video because I want to share you something, that a topic that Filipinas have, like a fighting back of a Filipina. So for everyone knowledge, Filipinas have been fighting back against various forms of oppression and injustice for many years. Here are some examples of how Filipinas have fought back. Number 1, women's rights empowerment. Filipinas have been at the forefront of the fight for women's rights and empowerment in the Philippines. They have organized and participated in various movements and campaigns that aim to address issues such as gender inequality, sexual harassment, and violence against women. Number 2, political activism. Filipinas have also been active in political activism, advocating for social and political change. They have participated in protests, rallies, and other forms of political action to express their dissent and push for reforms. Number 3, labor rights. Filipinos are also fighting for their labor rights, particularly for fair wages, safe working conditions, and protection against exploitation. They have organized unions and joined labor movements to demand better treatment and to resist oppressive labor practices. Number 4, environmental protection. Filipinas are also fighting for environmental protection and conservation. They are advocating for sustainable development practices and resisting destructive projects such as mining and deforestation that threaten the environment and the livelihoods of communities. So overall, Filipinas are fighting back against various forms of oppression and injustice through collective action, advocacy, and resistance. So regarding of fighting backs against the Filipinas and the Western woman, I will not gonna say anything since it is not appropriate to make blanket statements about entire groups of people being toxic or not toxic, because individuals are unique and cannot be generalized based on their ethnicity, nationality, or any other group identity. So Filipinos, like any other group, are diverse and complex, and it is important to treat each other person as an individual with their own unique traits, beliefs, and experiences. It is also important to recognize that toxic behavior can occur in any group, regardless of their ethnicity or nationality. Therefore, it is not accurate or fair to make sweeping generalization about any group of people. It is important to acknowledge that individuals may react differently to situation depending on their personal experiences, values, and belief. However, it is not appropriate to make assumption about a group of people based on their ethnicity or nationality. So in that case of Filipinas, it is possible that some may exhibit assertive behavior or fight back in certain situations, just as it is possible for individuals of any other nationality or ethnicity to do so. However, it is important to avoid stereotyping or generalizing behaviors based on a group identity. Each person is unique, and it is important to treat them as such. It is also important to recognize that assertiveness or fighting back can be a positive trait in some situations, such as when standing up for oneself or others in the face of injustice or discrimination. Filipinas, like people of any other nationality or ethnicity, can exhibit a wide range of personality traits and behaviors. including kindness. It is not appropriate to make blanket statements about an entire group of people being kind or not kind, as individuals are unique and cannot be generalized based on their ethnicity, nationality, or any other group identity. That being said, Filipinos are known for their hospitality, warmth, and friendliness towards others. Many Filipinos place a high value on family and community, and they often go out of their way to make others feel welcome and comfortable. This cultural trait is often referred to as pagmamano or mano po, which is a gesture of respect and affection in the Philippines. It is important to remember that kindness is a trait that can exhibit by individuals of any nationality or ethnicity. It is not a characteristic that is unique to Filipinas or any other group or people. Each person is unique and it is important to treat them as such. No one should have to endure toxic. So, if Filipina can fight back to toxic person, so no, because no one should have to endure toxic behavior from another person, regardless of their nationality or ethnicity. So it is important for everyone to set boundaries and stand up for themselves in the face of toxic behavior. But this can be especially difficult if the person is in position of power or authority. In Filipino culture, there is a strong emphasis on respect and deference to authorities figures, which can sometimes make it challenging for individuals to assert themselves and stand up to toxic behavior. However, it's important to remember that everyone deserves to be treated with respect and dignity, and it's okay to set boundaries or seek help if someone is behaving in a toxic or abusive manner. This may involve seeking the support of friends or loved ones, working with a therapist or counselor, or reaching out to local resources for support. Understanding people in the Philippines can be a complex task, as the country is home to diverse range of cultures and ethnicities. However, there are certain generalizations that can be made about the people of the Philippines that may help in understanding them. One important aspect of Filipino culture is the concept of pakikisama, which can be translated as getting along with others or social harmony. This idea is deeply ingrained in Filipino society and influences many aspects of daily life, including social interaction, decision making, and even politics. Another important factors to consider when trying to understand Filipinos is the strong influence of religion, specifically Catholicism. The majority of Filipinos are Catholic and their faith can be shape their values, beliefs, and behaviors. Family is also a crucial aspect of Filipino culture with strong emphasis placed on respect for elders and familial obligation. This can be manifest in close-knit family relationships and strong sense of community. Filipinos are also known for their hospitality and warmth towards others. Visitors to the Philippines often remark on the friendliness and welcoming nature of the Filipino they encounter. Of course, it is important to remember that these are generalization and that individuals within the Philippines may have their own unique experience and perspective. It's always best to approach interaction with an open mind and a willingness to learn and understand. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys will gonna appreciate this video, and don't forget to subscribe and support my channel, and thank you and God bless.